Hello everyone! Welcome to the first episode of DIY Robotics of What's Your Hobby? Robots fascinate everyone. And why not? The world today is running on robots. Any new invention you see in present or in the future is a brilliant work of robotics. So, wouldn't you feel a bit bad if you're just a spectator in the future? Or will it be a good idea to make some robots and play with them? In this course of mine stretching over 10 sessions, I will teach you how to make simple robots using sensors and a bit of coding with which you can play and control. In my next video, I'm going to tell you what are the things required to make your robots and the softwares you need to download in your computer along with them. We will even discuss the science behind the sensors we use in making of the robots. They will include Bluetooth sensors, IR sensors, ultrasound sensors, and a lot more of them. You might be thinking from where will I arrange all the materials and sensors needed to make my robots in this pandemic situation. But I have a good news for you. You can go to the Sparklebox website and order their DIY robotics kits. The link of the kits are given in my description below. If you're interested in the course, you should definitely buy them and join me in my next video. But remember to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications and updates. Until then, bye-bye.